Students, good morning. Today you are going to do exercise 4.2 of 4th chapter Exponents and Powers. Yesterday we had dealt with laws of exponents. I have clearly given you the explanation. Now the first question of 4.2, using laws of exponents, simplify and write in exponential form. So 2 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 4, that is equal to, if it is multiplication and bases are same, then powers are added. So it is 2 to the power 7 plus 4. What is 7 plus 4? It is 11. So answer is 2 to the power 11. P to the power 5 into P to the power 3 is P to the power 5 plus 3, that is 8. Next is integer to the power same base again. So it is minus 7 to the power 5 plus 11. 5 plus 11 is minus 7 to the power 16. Okay, now next here is fraction is given 3 upon 5 to the power 6 division. So till all first questions we dealt with is a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Now if it is division, we will be doing it subtraction of the powers. So 3 by 5 to the power 6 minus 2. What is 6 minus 2? 3 upon 5 to the power 4. That is the answer. Second also integer, the powers are 7 and 3 and it is division. So it is minus 6 to the power 7 minus 3, that is 4. Now here it is multiplication. So bases are same, 7 to the power x and 7 to the power. So it is 7 to the power x plus 3. Okay, put in brackets and this is the answer. Now next question, question 2 is simplify and write in exponential form. Here in the first exercise we were given 2 and the second one it is 3 or more. So it is again the rules are same. It is 5 to the power 3 plus 7 plus 12. What is it? 5 to the power 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 12 is 22. So 5 to the power 22. Here a to the power 5 into a to the power 3 into a to the power 7. You will add up the powers. So 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, a to the power 15. Now next one is, there is a bracket also. So BODMAS rule you have already known. First you will solve the number within the bracket, then divide. So first is 7 to the power 12 into 7 to the power 3. What is it? In multiplication you will add up the powers. 12 plus 3 is 15. Now 7 to the power 15 you will divide with 7 to the power 4. In division bases are same, powers are different, so powers will be subtracted. 15 minus 4 is 11. So you got the answer as 10 to the power 11. Next is third question, simplify and write in exponential form. Power of powers. So a to the power m to the power of n, you know that a to the power of m into n. Okay, so it is 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 100. It is 2 to the power 2 into 100. What is 2 into 100? It is 2 to the power 200. So you got this answer. Now next is minus 7 to the power 6 to the power 5. So it is minus 7 in integer within the bracket. All integers are rational numbers. We are talking about non-zero rational number. 6 into 5 is 30. So answer is minus 7 to the power 30. Now in next case there are two power upon power. So 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 5. First you will solve as 3 to the power 2 into 5 is 10. Then 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 7. You will solve it as 3 to the power 4 into 7 is 28. Now between this the operation is multiplication. So 3 to the power 10 into 3 to the power 28. Now it is a to the power m into a to the power n. So it is a to the power m plus n. What is it? 3 to the power 38. So this is the answer. Now next one, the question number 4 is simplify. So first you have to simplify the numerator, then you will simplify the denominator, and it is a division. So it is a to the power 3 into a to the power 5 is a to the power 8. Now a to the power 3 whole square is a to the power 3 into 2, that is 6. Now we will do the division. Upon a to the power 6 in division, you will subtract the powers. So a to the power 2. You got the answer? Now next is 2 to the power 3 to the whole to the power 4 divided by. So first you will do the numerator. Numerator is 2 to the power 12 divided by 2 to the power 5. That is the second law, that is 2 to the power 12 minus 5, that is 7. So the next one, again the brackets are used, the division used, power is upon power. So first you will solve the number within the bracket. So 6 to the power 2 into 3 is 6 divided by 6 to the power 3 within bracket into 6 to the power 5. Now we'll solve the brackets. So 6 to the power, division means subtraction of the powers. So 6 minus 3 is 3 into 6 to the power 5. Now it is sum of 3 plus 5. So what is it? 3 plus 5, 6 to the power 8. So next fifth question is, here see 5 to the power 4 into 8 to the power 4. It is the same rule as 8 to the power 4 into b to the power 4. Different bases. So this one you have done the rule, isn't it? So what is it? That is a into b to the power 4. So you will use this here. The powers are same. So 5 to the power 4 into 8 to the power 4 will be equal to 5 into 8 to the power 4. What is 5 into 8? 8 5s are 40. 40 to the power 4. So you are applying all the laws that you have learned in laws of exponents. Now here the powers are same and bases are different. So it is minus 3 into minus 5. Both are integers to the power 6. Minus of minus is plus. 3 into 5 is 15. So 15 to the power 6 is the answer. Now next one is 3 upon 10. That is, here you are getting, you had to split the 10 and here 15 also, because the numerator is to the power. So first you will solve the first one, that is 3 to the power 10, 3 upon 10 to the power 5. So 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So if it is 10 to the power 5, then it is 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. That can be split. Same way for 15 to the power 5, 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So the powers can be the same, isn't it? Okay, now you will split this one into 2 upon 15 to the power 5. Now you will have the numerator as 3 raised to 5 into 2 to the power 5 upon, what is it here? This one. 10 to the power 5 is 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 into, what is 15 to the power 5? You will use this one. So it is 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. Now what all you can cancel, that you are cancelling. So here 3 to the power 5 is there and 3 to the power 5 is there. That got cancelled, and 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5 cancelled. So you got it as 1 upon 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. So it is 1 upon 5 to the power 5 plus 5, that is 10. So this is the answer. Or else you can write it as 1 upon 5 whole to the power 10. Okay. Now next is simplify and express in exponential form. So here you can see, that is 2 to the power 4 plus 1, that is 5, into 7 to the power, we are simplifying first the numerator, 3 plus 6, that is 9, upon 2 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 4. Now these two and these two, it is division, so it is 2 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is the answer. Next one is 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 into minus 2 to the power 5 upon minus 2 to the power 3. So it is equal to 3 to the power 2 into 3, that is 6 into minus 2 to the power 5 upon minus 2 to the power 3. That is equal to 3 to the power 6 into minus 2 to the power, here you can, these two, it is division. So it is minus 2 to the 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is the answer. That is equal to minus 2 times if you multiply, it is positive. So you can write like this. Okay. Now next is 2 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 5 upon this one. Here 4 can be written as 2 square. Okay. Now 2 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 5 upon 2 square to the power 3 into a cube. So that is equal to 2 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 3 into 2 is 6 into 8 to the power 3. Now how many 2's? These 2 can be clubbed up. So it is 2 to the power 8 minus 6 is 2 into 8 to the power 5 minus 3 is 2. Or else bases different, then powers are same. It is 2a to the power 2. Okay. Now next one. Next one is 3 into 7 square into 11 to the power 8 upon 21 into 11 to the power 3. Here this 21 can be split into 3 into 7. Okay. So that is equal to 3 into 7 square into 11 to the power 8 upon 3 into 7 into 11 cube. So here 3 and 3 gets cancelled and you can use the groups like this. So it is equal to 7 to the power 2 minus 1 is 1 into 11 to the power 8 minus 3 is 5. So you got this 7 into 11 to the power 5. Okay. Now next question is 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 into 8 to the power 0. Any non-zero number to the power 0 is 1. So here it is equal to 1 plus 1 into 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Next is 1 into 1 into 1 because everything comes to 1. So it is 1. Now the question 7. Express in exponential form. Exponential form, here it is given as 25 upon 64. So here it is 5 into 5 upon 8 into 8. That is equal to 5 square upon 8 square. So it is a raised to m upon b raised to m can be written as a by b to the raised to m. So this can be written as 5 by 8 whole square. Okay. Now next is minus 125 upon 216. So this is minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 upon this. This is a part of this question. Okay. Upon here it is 6 into 6 36 into 6 is 216. So it is equal to minus 5 upon 6. How many times you have multiplied? It is 3 times. So this is the answer. Now next one is 343. How will you do 343 divided by 7? It is 3 times 4 times 4 sevens are 28, then 66. So 7 7. So it is 7 cube. And what about 729? 729 if you divide with 9, it is 8 and 1, then divide, then it is 9. So it is 9 cube. So here it is minus 7 upon 9 whole cube. Okay. Now next is simplify. 2 to the power 5 whole square into 7 cube upon this one. Here you will take the 8 as 2 cube. Okay, so the first question is 2 to the power 5 into 2 is 10 into 7 cube upon 2 cube whole cube into 7. What is 2 to the power 10 into 7 upon 2 to the power 9 because 3 into 3 into 7. This is here 7 cube. So here it is 2. 10 minus 10 minus 9, this is the grouping and this is the grouping. So 10 minus 9 is 1 into 7, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 into 7 squared. See, okay. So if you are asked to find the value, it is 2 into 49, that is 98. Next is 25. 25 into 5 square into t to the power 8 upon 10 to cube into this one. So it is 25 can be written as 5 square and 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So it is 5 square into 5 square into t to the power 8 upon 2 into 5 whole cube into t to the power 4. So this is 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 8 upon 2 cube into 5 cube into t to the power 4. Now what is it? That is equal to t to the power 4, because these two, upon 2 cube, and there is a 5 here. So 5 t to the power 4 upon 2 cube. Now next one is 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and 25 can be written as 5 into 5, and that is it. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So it is 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 into 5 square upon 5 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. That is equal to, which are the cancelling? 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 cancels, 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 cancels, and here 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power. So it is equal to 5 to the power 7 upon 5 to the power 7. These two cancels and the answer is 1. Now the last question is minus 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3. When there is a minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 upon 5 whole to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 upon minus 3 upon 5 whole to the power 3. A to the power minus m equals 1 by a to the power m. So this one is 1 upon minus 3 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 3. So this goes up. That is 5 cube upon minus 3 whole cube. That is 5 upon 3. There is a minus and whole cube. So it is 5. This is minus 125 upon 27. Okay. And here this can be written as 5 t to the power 4, 2 cube is 8. So the questions, I think it is clear to you, and tomorrow we will continue with the rest.